So I've had these almost 2 years, and all the bulbs are still lit up. They're bright. They don't get too hot when you leave them on for a long time, and they get hot, but not like too hot. You can still touch them, and they adjust easy, so you can lean it all the way back if you want, or you can lean it all the way down if you want. You can take them all the way off the tripod. I don't ever do that. I always leave them on the tripod, but you can take them all the way off. And it's real easy. Just turn it off, turn it on, and adjust the brightness. I will say they can get a little top heavy. The legs spread out more than what I have them, but where I put them at, just to make more room, I kind of keep them in closer. And I made some little sandbags. So I just keep the little sandbags on here, and that's about like 3 pounds or something. And that's good enough. Without them, if you're tilting them, they can get a little top heavy and move around. So I like them. Have yourself a great day.